Hi, welcome to Company Sodi. In today's video, we are going to dive into some fascinating details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights. Jubilant Pharmova Limited, a global leader in pharmaceuticals and drug discovery. What is Jubilant Pharmova Limited? Jubilant Pharmova Limited is a leading global company specializing in pharmaceuticals and drug discovery and development solutions. Established as an integrated entity, Jubilant Pharmova delivers a broad range of services and products in the pharmaceutical industry. With a significant presence in the global market, the company operates from its headquarters in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and employs over 10,000 professionals. Key features: Pharmaceuticals. Jubilant Pharmova is deeply involved in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of pharmaceutical products, addressing various medical needs. Drug discovery and development. The company offers comprehensive solutions in drug discovery and development, supporting pharmaceutical companies in bringing new drugs to market efficiently. Chemicals and specialty chemicals. While the information mentions this, it's important to note that this segment is no longer part of Jubilant Pharmova. You can remove this point or clarify it as a former segment. Company culture. Jubilant Pharmova fosters a culture of innovation and excellence, driven by a commitment to advancing pharmaceutical science and improving healthcare outcomes. The company's environment emphasizes collaboration, scientific rigor, and a dedication to high-quality standards. Company information summary. Website, link to jubilantpharmova.com. Industry, pharmaceutical manufacturing. Headquarters, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. Founded, information not specified. Company size, 10,001 plus employees. Jubilant Pharmova Limited stands out for its comprehensive approach to pharmaceuticals and drug development, leveraging its global reach and extensive expertise to contribute to the advancement of healthcare solutions. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.